The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is 15th Sunday in Ordinary Time. And our Gospel will be coming from St. Luke chapter 10, verses 25 to 37. This is what we know as the parable of the Good Samaritan. What made the Samaritan good? First, he learned to stop the time just so he can help. He was on his way to trade, and when he saw the man who was needing his help, he stopped his time, his precious time. That is the first requirement in order for us to be considered good. That we will stop everything that we do because we know the priority is to help. Second, he opened his purse. When he brought the man who was dying because of the bandits, he brought him to the inn and he said he will pay whatever will be the cost for the man. How good it was. He opened his purse for a stranger whom he didn't even know. Opening our purse, meaning giving something that is part of us, whether that small or big amount, would mean our willingness to experience a little sacrifice. And thirdly, the man was able to concretize compassion. Compassion is not just about saying you pity the person needing the help, but compassion is making a concrete action to extend our hands. He stopped, he opened his purse, and he extended his hands. And these are what we call compassion in action. May we be like the Samaritan who was willing to experience inconvenience in his life just so he can give a little comfort to the person who need his help. Let us try to be a good Samaritan to those people who need our help. Have a blessed Sunday.